see, I'm going to talk like a gentleman, like a very calm-headed gentleman. But it is difficult. Anytime you want to talk about a Nigeria issue, it is difficult to talk like a gentleman. I don't know how it happens. You want to be calm, but like you see the video after this my pre-talk of Sowore in court today, because by the time I woke up, somebody had sent the video to me, and when I watched the video, I'm like, I don't even know where to begin to describe the kind of things that happen in Nigeria on a daily basis. The same police that sued Omoyele Sowore to court, that made him leave his business. He should have been traveling by now, but you made him leave his business, you seized his passport, and you ordered him to come to court, and he came to court. Now in the same court, look at the kind of treatment you're giving him. Thank God for people like Sowore that know they are right. If not that he knows he's right, they'll just ridicule him. Even a lawyer, a Nigerian lawyer there, was actually telling him to pipe down now, listen to them now, chill now. Can you imagine? You just surrender your right because you don't even know. You don't know when you're being cheated out of your right, and you're a lawyer. Same thing goes for many Nigerian citizens. You don't know when they are trampling on your rights. I don't want to give away, what concerned in the video. By the time you watch it, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I think it's high time we learn to stand up for our rights. If everybody keeps doing that, I mean, I'm not saying all the time you should be fighting, but when you know your right, stand your ground. That's what you do. Sometimes it may lead to you suffering, but how many of you are willing to suffer? Sowore is suffering right now. Going through the ordeal he's going through because he said, no, I'm not going to take a bail that you gave me. Yes, go and lock me up. And he was locked up for 3 days for standing his ground. And he's winning. He's going to win this case again. But I think it is wrong for us to just be succumbing to every kind of intimidation. And basically because we don't know our rights, we should start thinking. Just know your rights and know the right thing to do. Police cannot just be ordering people, in and out of court, deciding when civilians will have a right to come to court and asking them all kinds of stupid questions. I was in the court here just how many days ago. Policemen also come to the court to face a trial between them and civilians. When you come to a court, there's a way you treat civilians there. And don't get me wrong, there are police people, even in courts here in Canada. You come in, they process you. They don't ask you which case you're going to. They do that for security reasons. Not to come and start querying you. Do you have case in court? You don't tell somebody do you have. The fact that they are in court, they don't have to have a case. They don't have to. You can come and you can follow somebody to court to observe the proceedings in that court. And by the way, they have their own security, they have their own police, they have other things. But you that is imported police because you have interest in a particular case, you come there and start harassing people. Anyway, watch the video and make sure you leave me a comment.
Wow.
Oga, please. Oga.
Good morning, how are you now? Oga. Say, who are you shouting? Who is that? Do I look like Yaya Bello to you? I beg, go and sit down. Go and sit down. Hey, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Yes.
I'm a police officer. Please
So what?
Come out.
I'm not coming out.
Who are you? Can I know if
I have a business in court.
Okay, please.
No, I'm not coming out. I'm not coming out. You can't clear me. You are not an officer of the court.
Hello, sir.
You are an EFCC officer.
Hello, sir.
You have no business standing in front of the court.
I'm talking to you now.
So
Clear,
why is he jumping at me?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes.
Please, what can I do for
This
you?
is a federal high court.
Yes,
Bring a court official. I'll talk to the person.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm a policeman.
Or you have a senior. How are you? You are not a court official. You are allowed EFCC to be flying at people in court. That's what the nonsense the DSS does here too. He's not taking it easy now. They are the ones who bring us to court. Harass no. Yes, see for that matter. Yes.
This issue that happened last time, it doesn't.
There's no issue. I have a court case. Please. Leave the road. Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'll restrict you.
You can't restrict me. You can't.
No.
There's no order given to you that can prevent me from going to. You can't. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No, I'm not going to call anybody to tell you a case I have. No, you have no right. You have no right to prevent me from attending to my case at the Federal High Court. You don't have any right to stay in front of the Federal High Court,
Which case do you have?
regardless of who you are.
Which case do you have?
I'm not going to tell you my case. You are not my lawyer. You are not my lawyer.
In fact, you are free.
Stop your foolishness. You are not my lawyer. Very stupid people. How can you be harassing people in front of the Federal High Court?